Hello everyone, welcome to Aromatherapy course. Now we will understand outcomes of this course. After doing this course, you will be able to understand aromatherapy basics, what aromatherapy is, how essential oils work on body and mind, how aroma affects emotions, stress and sleep. Identify popular essential oils. Recognize the top beginner-friendly oils. Know the benefits of each oil. Understand the difference between pure essential oil and synthetic fragrance oils. Use essential oils safely. Dilution rules. How to apply oils on skin safely. Which oils to avoid for children, pregnant women, and sensitive skin. Fourthly, apply aromatherapy for stress relief and insomnia. Use specific oils that reduce anxiety. Follow guided stress relief routines. Create calming diffuser blends. Understand which oils promote deep sleep. Make a simple night aromatherapy routine. Create pillow sprays and sleep blends. Kindly subscribe the channel to join the course. Thank you.